And welcome. So today I will be doing areas of sector and segments of circle. So what is a sector? From the center, if I cut a pie out, so that is a sector. Just I'm getting a piece right from the center from by one radius and another radius. Part it out, then that is a the smaller part is called minus sector and the major part is called the major sector. Whereas a segment is if I draw a chord, the smaller portion is known as a minor segment, major portion is known as a major segment. Okay, so when I do this, how do I find out the area? So whenever I find out the area of a sector of a circle, it is nothing by theta by 360 into pi r square. Or if I want to find the length of the arc, what do I have? The part theta by 360 is a part of the circle and that into 2 pi r. So that is how I will be finding the that portion, right? So here I have this as my area of the sector or the circumference, or I can say the length of the arc of a sector. Okay, so if I want to find the segment, find the segment, it is nothing but the area pi r square minus the area of the minor segment or the major segment. All right. Next. So now let us move into few sums. So here the sums first sum states, and it is here stated that pi is equal to 22 by 7. So until and unless stated anywhere, I am stated that I should use pi as 22 by 7. Okay. So first question, if I find the area of a sector of a circle with radius 6 centimeter if the angle is 60 degree. So what it will be? My theta is 60 degree and my radius is 6 centimeter. So I need to find the area. So area is equal to theta by 360 into pi r square. So theta is 60 by 360 into 22 by 7 into r square is 6 into 6. So if I solve this out, 6 6 36 36 6 6 0 0 2 22 into 6. Okay, so it will be 132 centimeter square. Right? As simple as that. Next question. Find the area of a quadrant of a circle whose circumference is 22 centimeter. So what is a quadrant? 1/4. So area is the 1/4. I want to find the area of a quadrant whose circumference is 22 centimeter. If the circumference is 22 centimeter, then I can find r, right? So it is giving me 2 pi r is equal to 22 centimeter, right? What is pi r? What is r then? R is equal to 22 divided by 2 into pi, which is 22 by 7. So gets cancelled. 7 by 2 is my radius. Alright. Now if I find the area, quadrant is 1 by 4, 1/4 of it, into 22 by 7 into r square, that is 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. Right. So that is how I have it. 1717 would get cancelled. 2 with 11. So 11 sevens are 77 by 8. Right. So 9 point 7 9.7 something it would be. All right, next question. The length of a minute hand of a clock is 14 centimeter. Find the area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes. So 5 minutes, how much it is rotating, I need to find what is the value of theta. First I need to find the value of theta, and then after that. So when I say the whole 360 degree is divided into is basically divided into 60 minutes. Okay, 60 minutes. So each is 60 minutes. So if I want to find theta, uh, okay, if I want to find theta, theta is how much? So I am finding 5 minutes out of 60 minutes for 360 degree, right? For 360 degree. So it is 30 degree, right? So theta is 30 degree. Now the sum has become very similar to your previous one, the first one. So you can have it as 60 degree, and you can go ahead and find out the length, I mean the area which is swept by R square. Alright, next. R is nothing but 14 centimeter. A chord of a circle of radius 10 centimeter sustains a right angle at the center. So it's a right angle at the center. Find the area of the corresponding minor segment at the major sector. So whatever is the minus, you find out the sector's area and minus the segment out. So that is how you will be going ahead. So yes. So, if I say a chord of a circle 10 centimeters obtains a right angle at center. So, if I want to draw that, just trying to draw this out as the figure is available. So, this is a circle, a chord is there. So, this is the radius, and at a right angle, the chord is there. Okay. So, at this from the center, uh, find the area of the corresponding minor segment. So you need to find this area, and also you need to find the area of the major sector. Okay, so here I need to find this shaded area, this segment. So if I say it, how will I do this? Radius is 10 centimeter, and it is telling me use 3.14. Okay, so what will I do? I will find the area of this minor sector as we were doing. So it is telling me that it subtends a right angle at the center, so it is a 90 degree. Okay, so 90 degree, so this is 90 degree. So I can have, as I said, 90 by 360 into 3.14 into r square. So 10 into 10, right? So what will I do? This got cancelled. Okay. 9 4s are 36. 2 with 1 5 and 2 with another 5. Okay. So I have it in this way. Or I could have easily done it as 3.14 divided by 4. Or I can say it as 3.14, 314. Sorry, I can tell it as 314 divided by 4. So if I have it as in this way, 28, 32, 28, 78.5. Alright, so this is 78.5. So from 78.5, I need to minus the area of the triangle. Area of the triangle. So once I say area of the triangle, this is subtending a right angle. So base into height I will get. So half into 10 into 10, base into height. So this is 50. So what is my area? 78 minus 50. So that is equal to 28.5. So that is my area of the minor sector. And what is the area of my major sector? My major sector, my minor sector, I have got the area 78.5. I will find the area of the whole circle. My whole circle is pi r square. So it is nothing but, I'll just erase this up and I will write it is 3.14 into 10 into 10. That is 314 is the area of the whole circle. So from there I will minus 78.5 to get the answer. That is the area of the major sector. Next question. In a circle 21 centimeter, an arc subtends an angle of 60 degree at center. Find the length of the arc. So how do I find the length of the arc? Okay, I can find the circumference, that is theta by 360, 60 by 360 into 2 pi r, 2 into 22 by 7 into r, which is 21. I'll find this and I'll give you the length of the arc. Area of the sector formed by the arc, obviously I will replace this by pi r square. Okay, and area of the segment formed. So when I find this area of the sector, so area of the sector minus the area of the triangle. Area of the sector minus the area of the triangle would give me this. Okay, next. So 60 degree, if it is subtending an angle of 60 degree, you can understand it is preferably an equilateral triangle. Okay, it's preferably an equilateral triangle because both sides would be equal. So it will be an equilateral triangle. So equilateral triangle, we can always find the height and go ahead. A chord of a circle of radius 15 centimeters subtends an angle of 60 degree at the center. Find the areas of the corresponding minor and major segment of the circle. So how do I find the minor and the major segment? Area to formula to find the segment is nothing but find the area of the sector minus the area of the triangle. Okay, next what we have, a chord of radius 12 centimeters subtends an angle of 120 degree at the center. Find the area of the corresponding segment. As simple as that, very simple. Root 3 is 1.73, it's given to you. Okay, a horse is tied to a peg. Peg means a stick which is there, a peg at one corner of the square shaped grass field of 15 centimeter by means of a 5-meter long rope. So what is it? This radius would be 5 meter. Find the area of that part of the field in which the horse can graze. So it is nothing but 1/4 the area of the whole circle. The increase in the grazing area of if the rope were 10 meters long. So if it was 10 meters long instead of 5, I will increase this area to be 10 meter and I will find this area of the sector and minus this area of the sector. So area of 10 minus area of 5 will be give me how much increase in area would be there. Next. A brush is made with silver wire in the form of a circle with diameter 35 mm. The wire is also used in making 5 diameters which divide the circle into 10 equal sectors as shown here. Okay, find the total length of the silver wire required. So what is the wire? I can find out the circumference that was required. So a silver wire in the form of a circle with diameter 35. Okay, so circumference is what? 22 by 7 pi d into 35. Okay, so I can have this, whatever I guess, 7 5s are 35, 110 mm, right? Now the wire is also used in making 5 diameters. So plus 5 diameters means 5 into 35, which is 175. So 110 plus 175. So much I would require. So that comes to 285 mm. Alright. The area of the each sector. So if I have so many, I can find out what is the angle which is subtended. Okay, when I have 5, then there are 10 sectors which have been done. So this 10 sectors is a 360 by 10, that is 10 by 360. So here I will have 1 by 36 as each of the 360 is divided into 10, so I have 36 degrees for each case. So I will be going ahead, 1/10 of the circle I need to find. So each sector will be 1/10 into the area of the circle. So an umbrella has 8 ribs which are equally spaced. Assuming the umbrella is flat circle of radius 45 centimeter, find the area of 2 consecutive ribs of the umbrella. So it has got 8 ribs. So if it has 8 ribs, then I have got, okay, 8 ribs means each it's a radius, okay, 8 ribs. So if you see in the figure itself, you see that there are 8 parts. So 1/8 of the area of the circle will be each area, each sector's area. All right. So likewise, we will be going ahead. Thank you.